So I've used two color combinations of laminate. One is wood and this is a nude shade. So the handles what you see are completely antique finish with computerized key options. Now moving ahead to this wall, since there is the entry door of bedroom here and the other side we have the bathroom door, I just wanted to keep this kind of subtle finish. So I've just used wooden putties and I've merged that in the same wall paint so that the switchboard are not much highlighted. Unlike if I would have used some other shades, then this would have popped up, and I was actually having challenges while hiding the switchboard. So I preferred going the other way around by keeping the wall subtle, so that there is a balance of design with this door, the wall element, and again the addition of the second door. So now this is the bathroom door, the bathroom entry door of bathroom as well as the bedroom inner door. I have kept the same design and theme to match the color palette. Moving ahead, this is a D-shaped mirror which we have given for having a full length image. Now again for this mirror I have used here diffuse lightings so that it definitely pops up and it gives you a very subtle and good vibe while getting ready. Now here if you see, this is again the same wooden laminate. The only thing what I have changed here is the pattern. I have maintained groove, 3 to 4 mm wide grooves, so that the look of the mirror is elevated by having the vertical grooves. Now moving ahead, I have covered the entire wall. Now let's focus on this side of the wall. So here this is my openable wardrobe. I have maintained this as handleless. So in order to have this handleless, I have this kind of wooden element which is actually hiding the two grooves. So now to match this, I have balanced it with smaller grooves on the other sides. Here what you see is basically here we had an RCC beam. So to hide that RCC beam, I have used it, I have given it as an appealing look, placing it like a loft. This is actually not a loft, but the paneling is done in such a manner that it gives you a resemblance of the loft. So this is basically two wardrobes, his and her, but since it is openable, it has 4 shutters, 2 for this and 2 for that. The inner detailing of the wardrobe, I'll be explaining it in the next video. Now focusing here. So this was actually an element which I had added on purpose to give a different feel for the room. So this I have used here charcoal sheets. This is basically soft pearly shade to give a very subtle and very sober look, because this is a guest bedroom. I didn't want it here to have a very quirky or poppy shades. So I have maintained very soft shades, basically a nude palette. So this is again charcoal sheets merged with handles. So here inside the depth of this wardrobe is hardly 4 to 5 inches, but I have done it on purpose because to keep used clothes, it will be having a vertical arrangements wherein the clothes will be inside. Besides this, here there will be an ironing board. So instead of placing it somewhere else, I found this place apt for the ironing board. So you just open the door, the ironing board comes out, and then you are all set. Moving to this wall, here it is just a curtain wall. Because we have windows over here, there are windows here. So these are full length curtains. Curtain I have kept it on rod. That was my client's requirement, as they were not too comfortable with the track fitting. So this is the paneling which I have done to have the curtain placement, curtain rods placement. Again I have purposely had these grooves done just to match the decor of the room. So now I'll take you ahead. Bed is a queen size bed with 4 drawers. So there are this kind of 4 drawers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 drawers plus this space is also, it has a top lift opening. So in case if you want to have your storage there, so that space also comes to utility. Now this is the headboard, which is 3 inches thick, and the headboard is completely cushioned, so that when you sit leaning the bed, it gives a very comforting effect for the back. Moving ahead here, This is completely a dresser with a small side table kind of unit. So if you see, this is my side table. The only thing is I have maintained this shape here, a circular shape, just to give that pop and balance. So this is again handleless. You see that these are the drawers and this goes inside. So all the drawers are soft close, and this is the dresser with storage. So all the inner detailing with regards to storage will be shared in a detailed video with regards to wardrobes and the storages. Moving ahead, this beam, what you see here, just to have a lighting provision here, my client wanted a canopy kind of structure. So having just a single canopy would have not given a subtle look for the room. Hence, I have maintained an L-shaped beam panel. What you see here, I am talking about this element. So this is running in the L shape till the bathroom door. So this is on purpose just to give a balance to the canopy as well as the beam bottom. This is a wallpaper. This is an imported wallpaper which I have used, as they wanted marble, specifically marble was a requirement of my client. So I have used a marble tone matching to the palette of the room, which is brown, grey and light pearl. So that's it for this room. Yes, thank you so much.